Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the market, as in the market overall. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones, they are all in red. This is their 7th weekly loss since 2022. They've been dropping and they're still in correction territory. We will also look at Meta, the Facebook. Meta has continued to drop. Meta woes continue as its stock price continue to drop and drop and drop. Let's have a look at the S&P 500, the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq. Meta has now fallen out of the largest 10 companies in the US as in market cap. It's now being replaced by Taiwan Semiconductor TSM. Meta woes looks as if it's going to continue, as Alphabet, Google, is now saying that it will implement the same policy that iPhone, implemented on, Apple implemented on iPhones to control the privacy, which means that the advertisement where Meta gets its largest revenue may also suffer as we continue to experience privacy issues on social media space. Let's have a look at the technical chart for the S&P 500, Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, and we'll also have a critical look at the Meta technical chart as the price continues to fall. We will have a look at them and diagnose them to see if there's anything, if we can get any information from price action.
We are looking at Meta. Metal has become the symbol of this year downfall. Is seriously underperforming. We're looking at Facebook on a daily chart. There's nothing more to this than a downward trading. Below 200-day moving average, comfortably trading below 200-day moving average, and is heading down. Today alone, Meta has lost about slightly, maybe 1% or so. This month alone, it has lost about extra 15% from the initial drop down after the earnings. Let's have a look at this. The resistance here. I'm not even sure this will hold. Anyway, what we're beginning to see is a trend here. See? Let's look at it on a weekly chart. There's nothing more. Trading below 200-day moving average. This is serious for Meta. Meta is no longer the top 10 companies in the world. No, as in top 10 richest company market cap in the world. Is no longer part of it. Let's say we just do this. I'm just trying this support. I hope, whether it's going to hold or not, it doesn't look like anyway. This is below 200-day moving average. There's nothing more to write about a Meta than a lot of analysts are saying time is up for Facebook, time is this. I still don't believe that. I still believe that Facebook has seen a lot of challenges in their lifetime and come out of it. It might just be one of those challenges. However, what we are seeing here, let's go back to daily chart. On a daily chart, we can still draw the resistance here. All these are not even, don't even matter. Look at where the is trading down. So below 200-day, below everything. Meta, it's like a falling knife, to be honest with you. So it's like that. Let's have a quick look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is also trading below 200-day moving average comfortably. There's something I need to point out on the Nasdaq. On the Nasdaq, you can see that the 50-day moving average is just about to cross over to 200-day moving average going down. Guys, this may signify a paradigm shift. This may signify a shift to bearish movement, downward bearish movement. This might be a shift, from the bull side to the bear market on the Nasdaq. Let's have a look at it on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, well, it's still sitting on a support here, but what you can see on a daily chart is not impressive at all. It's a bearish signal that we're seeing on a daily chart. Let's have a quick look at the Dow. The Dow has lost about almost 1% today. The Dow is still sitting comfortably on support here, on a support. Let's have a look at on a daily chart. Yeah, the support is still here, but it's also trading below 200-day moving average. Okay, this is 20-day moving average. They're all in the same direction. But however, Nasdaq is more bearish than the Dow, as we can see. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 have lost 1% today as well. To date, from January to date, Nasdaq has lost about 12%. Now, this is below 200-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is just about to cross, over 200-day moving average downward, below it. So it's very significant. Look at this. It's very significant. Let me draw a support line here. We might be seeing the beginning of a bearish movement. Bearish movement. This is very important. Bearish movement. Also, yeah, let's just do the resistance here. Another one here. No, it is here just as a resistance there. Um, let's go back to weekly chart. On a weekly chart, we can still see that yes, it appears like it's still in a correction. However, this is lagging. Is taking more time. This is below 20-day moving average, sitting on the 50-day moving average as support. The 20-day moving average is here as resistance. So it's in between 20-day and 50 moving average. That's it for S&P 500. So it just might be consolidating around here for now, but we just need to watch the market. It could be as a result of the Russia and Ukraine, the market is generally down for all indices and most of the stocks. You can see the Netflix is green at the moment, yeah, but I mean, the kind of green that you already backed. So Netflix is green, but it's below 200-day moving average. So what sort of green is that anyway? But it's green today. Let's have a look at Adobe. Adobe is trading above 200-day moving average. It's actually sitting on a support here at the moment. The overall look of the market is not impressive. It's bearish. It's bearish in nature. The market is bearish in nature. So yeah, the support here was broken down. As you can see here, the 250-day moving average is here like a resistance, So even for Adobe, we're not out of the wood yet, Can we go back to Meta? Meta is seriously in trouble. Facebook has to come up with something, significant to upturn this dilemma. at the moment. Otherwise, what we are seeing at the chart is going down. This is not the time you want to say you're buying the dip. However, for the valuation, if you do valuation, Facebook looks very, very cheap. Cheap, but it's going down. So you have to be careful, be cautious in buying the dip on.
We have seen the technical chart. The S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones are all in red. Facebook is dipping down. It's about 37% down till date, year till date. Be careful. This may not be the right time to buy stock. Do your valuation. Make sure these stocks are good for you. Make sure that if you intend to do dollar cost averaging, you are careful about it. Stocks are dropping. Well, it's up to you. The market does not like uncertainty. One thing that we sure as investors, we are looking forward to the meeting of Fed in March to have a direction. Thank you for following up on our channel. Thank you for subscribing. We will continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Thank you.